Welcome back to a YouTube channel SN Classroom. In my previous video, we discussed about introduction to stable marriage problem using Gall-Shapley algorithm. In this video, we are going to solve a stable marriage problem using the Gall-Shapley algorithm. In the question paper, the students will be given two equal sized sets of elements, which are the preferences of men and women, as shown in this slide. Based on the given preferences or choices, the ranking matrix should be first written. So in these two sets, men and women, A, B, C, D, E are men, L, M, N, O, P are the women. In the previous video, we already discussed what are the initialization to be done in this algorithm. So initially, men and women are free and they both have choices. Men start proposing. Now let us see how to write the ranking matrix based on the sets given. Here, A's first choice is O and O's second choice is A. Therefore, it can be written as 1, 2. Similarly, A's second choice is M, whereas M's second choice is A. Therefore, it is written as 2, 2. Similarly, all the cells are filled to form a ranking matrix like this. Now the loop begins. The iteration starts here. As A's first choice is O and O is free and not engaged with anyone previously, she accepts A. So the pair is AO. As B's first choice is P and P is free and it is not engaged with anyone previously, she accepts B. So the second pair is BP. As C's first choice is M and M is free and she is not engaged with any man previously, she also accepts C. So far we have made three pairs. So what are the three pairs? AO, BP and CM. Look at the fourth row. D's first choice is P, but P is already engaged with B and it is better than D. So she rejects D. So I already told in the previous video, there are three conditions. If a woman is free, then she can accept the man who is proposing. If she is already engaged with any man, she can reject the current option unless otherwise it is a best option. If the current option is better than the previous option, then she can reject the previous one and accept the current one. If it is worse than the previous, then she can reject it. So this is the algorithm. So finally, E proposes to O, but O is already engaged with A, which is better option than E. So O rejects E. Now A, B and C are already engaged, so they don't attempt to have any more pairs. D now proposes his next choice M. Even though M is already engaged with C, the current option is better than C, so she accepts D and rejects C. So stable matching occurs here. So the unstable pair can be converted into a stable pair at any instance. Now the last one, E proposes to his next choice L. As L is not engaged with anyone and she is free, she accepts E. C cannot propose to his next choices P, L and O since they are already engaged. So C proposes now to the last option N. As N is free and she is not engaged with anyone, she accepts C. So now all of them are engaged successfully and the unique pairs have been created and stable matching occurs. So after this algorithm, we get the successful pairs, 5 pairs as AO, BP, CN, DM, and EL. So thank you for watching.